Technology is developing day by day, and these developments bring with them some security vulnerabilities and innovations. Today, protecting our data and accounts has become a necessity. Hey everyone, here are 5 quick tips to boost your cybersecurity and keep your data safe. Stay safe online. Tip 1. Strong passwords. Use strong passwords. Aim for at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything obvious. Tip 2. Two-factor authentication. Always enable two-factor authentication. It's like having a second lock on your door. Super important. Tip 3. Phishing awareness. Watch out for phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious links or attachments. If it seems fishy, it probably is. Tip 4. Software updates. Keep your software updated. Those updates fix security holes that hackers love to exploit. Tip 5. Use a VPN. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. It encrypts your data, making it much harder for anyone to snoop on you.